Thank you guys. I welcome you guys back to my home. Today we are doing part 2 of false cleaning and decluttering. In the previous video, we did the kitchen and the family room and the living room. Today, I am bringing you straight to my laundry room to share with you how I transform my laundry room to this, from this to that. You don't have to spend any money. Nothing was purchased. Subscribe and let's dive right into the video.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'm a big sweat. Pommy, yeah, she give me pommy.
Hello guys, welcome back again. Guys, it's all about revamping the closets and the space. Today I am in my laundry room. Again, my laundry room is a pure disaster. There are things everywhere. Let me just swindle this around so that you guys can see. Yes, it's a pure disaster, but I am determined to put this laundry room together. When you have boys, they don't care. They put shoes all over the place. Their shoes are all over the place, but we are going to turn this into a different laundry room. Today, I have been waiting for so long to paint, to get the cabinets, but you know what? Let us just use what I have. Because also the things that really make people procrastinate is when you want to buy a cabinet, you want to paint, and then those things are not coming up fast, then you lay low. But you know what? Today, I am going to make use of what I have. So without further ado, I'm going to just move this camera around so that you guys can really understand what I am talking about. So the machines are here. Up there is the cabinet. I only have one shelf over there. It's supposed to hold up some. That is supposed to be holding up the soap, but I don't really understand what is out there. There's some engine oil, so many things, shoe deodorizers out there instead of using it for the laundry soap. Over there at the far end, so the laundry soap sits right underneath the sink. This side here, we have a very big, massive closet for coats and shoes. But I am so determined. I want to see if I can pull up that door that swindles this door. I can't wait. I want to see if this door can really come out completely so that I can have a full open space to work with. There are shoes everywhere. Okay, I'm moving up those, bring out those coats and stuff like that, first of all. Nicely, I am using baking soda to slough off all the, with old toothbrush, clean up all the corners. In depth of all the corners. So the laundry room is taking some shape. I can't wait to share the end result. Yes, laundry room. So finally, I was able to put everything where they belong. Let's start all over from under the sink. So previously, so before now, under the sink got some linen. Under the sink had some laundry detergent, and it's always hard for me to bend over to lift up things from under the sink into the machine. So now the laundry room is free of clutter. What I did up here, because I only have one rack or one shelf, so I use the shelf to load and line up all the laundry detergents and the bleach and everything you can ever think of. Everything that we needed for the laundry is up here. It's easier for me to find out when we're running out of products. Usually when it's under the sink, I don't remember to check and see what we have and what we don't have. In this little basket here, so in this basket here, I use this one to put all the shoe polish and deodorizer for the shoes for the boys. Everything that has to do with cleaning of the shoes or the leather, even the leather jacket. So I put everything inside this small basket and I tuck it away under that corner. So this is the complete look. So this is what this area here looks like. It's free of clutter and is very tidy. We can see things exactly where they're supposed to be. So let's move over to this side here. So on this side I have the double door. I was thinking that I'll be able to remove this, but husband said leave the door. The boys in the house couldn't seem to take it off. So what I did, I still use the space the way it is. So I organized all the sweaters by colors on one side here. I put the shoes on this side. This is all boys' shoes. They would thank mama when they all come home and see that mama put everything together. So let's see on this side. So when I move this door to the other side, I use this area here to also put some jackets, and some of the longer coats are right at this end here. And I also utilize the top portion of this closet. Let me show you what I did in the top portion of the closet. Yeah, it's a little bit dark because of the double doors. I'm not sure if you're able to see what I did here. So it's a little bit dark here. I'm not sure. I don't have enough light in here. So I just use this, tuck in some of the winter gloves and some of the winter hats in here. Down here are more shoes. This is just a small corridor that leads to the outer exit, to lead to the other exit and to the laundry and to the garage. So this is what I did. This is what I've been doing for the past week, trying to organize and put things exactly where they're supposed to be. Guys, this is the little declutter of the laundry room. Let me know what you think, and let me be very honest with you. There is nothing new here. I never purchased the basket, I never purchased the drawers, I never painted anything. So the key thing here is to utilize what you have and organize them so that they look clean and they look properly tucked in where they're supposed to be. You don't have to spend money all the time because you want to revamp. Use what you have. Clean, clean, clean. Tidy, tidy, tidy is the key to everything that you want to do when it comes to using the small space or even the big space you have. So thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share the video. Bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Please let me know which part of this cleaning of the laundry do you like the most. Remember, no money was spent. Leave me your thoughts and your comments.